Have you ever thought about how learning a new language could change your life? Imagine standing in a foreign country, confidently speaking their language. Doesn't that sound amazing? The good news is, learning a new language doesn't have to be hard. With the right steps, it can be simple and fun. Today, I'll share powerful ways to help you learn a new language in just a few months. Even if you're starting from zero, these tips are so effective that you might surprise yourself with how quickly you improve. Learning a new language is more than just words. It helps your brain stay active, improves your memory, and opens doors to new opportunities, like getting a job abroad, meeting new people, or traveling more confidently. To start, set a clear goal. Ask yourself why you want to learn this language. Is it for study, work, or just for fun? Having a goal makes the learning process easier and more focused. Next, learn the most common words and phrases. Did you know that learning the top 1,000 words of a language allows you to understand about 85% of daily conversations? For example, start with simple words like hello, thank you, and I need. If you learn 10 words a day, you'll know 1,000 words in just 100 days. Practice every day. You can change your phone's language to the one you're learning. Use apps like Duolingo or Memrise for short daily lessons. Don't be afraid to make mistakes while speaking with friends. It's a part of learning. Listen to songs, watch movies, or listen to podcasts in the language. At first, use subtitles to help you understand. Then challenge yourself to listen without them. Learning through entertainment makes it more enjoyable. Start speaking as soon as possible. Join a group or a community where people practice the language together. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. It's the fastest way to improve. Learning a new language is like opening a window to a whole new world. Start today, practice every day, and enjoy the journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting learning tips. Let's improve and grow together.